Hi, my name is Natalia and I'm a content editor for Jetset Times. Last month I made the impulsive last-minute decision to go to Sevilla. All of my friends gushed to me how Sevilla is one of the most beautiful cities in Spain, so I had to go see it for myself. After an early flight, I began exploring the city at Torre del Oro, a free museum dedicated to maritime history. Then I made my way to Setas de Sevilla, which also has an archaeological museum and viewing point, but the line was too long, so I headed to Museo de instead. Often considered the second best art gallery in Spain, it features works from Murillo, Zurbarán, Valdés, and many more. Once I got tired of pondering at the stunning art, I covered up my shoulders to enter the Catedral de Sevilla. I fanned myself religiously as I explored the enormous cathedral, room by room. Constructed in 1118 with Gothic architecture, it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Here, works from Murillo and the main chapel, one of the largest in the world, can be admired. I took a much-needed siesta and headed to the Royal Alcázar de Sevilla. This Moorish palace dates back to the 11th century and has one of the best examples of mudéjar architecture in the world. From a hedge maze to lush gardens, there is a lot to uncover, which means it's best to dedicate a whole day or at the very least half a day if you'd like to see everything. I knew I'd get lost in the maze, so I skipped that to take a stroll through its vibrant gardens and to take in the fresh air. If you like what you saw, head to Jetset Times for more.